Hello everyone. In this video we're going to be talking about probability, specifically theoretical probability. And first I'll start with the definition of probability. Probability is just the likelihood that an event will occur. So how likely is something going to happen? We can measure probability on a scale from 0 to 1, 0 being that the event is impossible, 1 being that the event is certain. And we can also use words, fractions, decimals, and percentages to represent how likely the event is going to happen. Okay, so the closer the probability is to 1, the more likely the event is going to happen. And the closer the probability of the event is to 0, the less likely that event is going to occur. The first type of probability we're going to talk about in this video is what we call theoretical probability. And this is the nice probability. Okay, this is a perfect world probability. And we're going to measure the theoretical probability using the ratio between the number of the ways the event can occur to the total number of possible outcomes. Okay, and what that means is, for example, if I look at this bag of marbles, and let's say I wanted to ask myself, what's the probability that we're going to choose a zebra striped marble? Okay, and a lot of times you'll see probability written with this P and then the event that you're focusing on right next to it. So the probability that we're going to choose a zebra marble. All right, so for theoretical probability, we're going to use the number of ways the event can occur. So there are 3 zebra striped marbles. So that means I can choose a zebra striped marble 3 ways. 3 to the total number of possible outcomes. Now, if I count all of my marbles in this bag, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 marbles. So the probability that I'm going to choose a zebra striped marble is 3 over 10, or 3/10. Now, if you remember fractions, if I have 10 over 10, that equals 1. So 1 represents a 100% probability that this event will happen. 3 over 10 is closer to 0 than it is to 1. So I know that the probability of choosing a zebra striped marble is not likely. It's possible, but it's not likely. Okay, let's do 1 or 2 more. Let's say, what's the probability that I choose a solid black marble? All right. Well, for my numerator, the number of ways the event can occur, I see that there's 1 black marble over the total number of possible outcomes over my 10 total marbles. So the probability that I'm going to choose a black marble is 1/10. Now I'm also going to write this as a decimal. And to convert a fraction to a decimal, we're just going to divide 1 divided by 10. So top in, bottom out. 1 divided by 10 10 goes into 1 0 times. 10 goes into 10 1 time. 1 times 10 is 10. So I can see that my probability of choosing a solid black marble written as a decimal is 0.1. Okay, and let's go ahead and do this probability as a percent as well. So 1 over 10, remember 10 represents my total, and I'm just going to make a proportion. So 100% represents my total. 10 times 10 is 100. 1 times 10 is 10. So the probability of me choosing a solid black marble is 10%. Okay, so 1/10, 0.1, and 10% all represent the same likelihood that we're going to choose a solid black marble. And as we can see, 10% is not close to 100%. Okay, so 10% would be down here somewhere. So it's not likely that we're going to choose one of these or the only black marble in our bag. All right, and there you go, theoretical probability. I hope you got something from this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.